for my monthly BoxyCharm unboxing. This is June's box. This is box number 3. For those of you who wonder, I don't think the weights make any difference, but on the bottom of the card it tells you like 1 and a heart or 3 and a heart, and that's the box number. So I wasn't going to do these anymore because I tried to cancel my BoxyCharm subscription, but I had paid for a year and you can't do that. So since I had done that, we're going to go ahead. So this month's theme is Getaway. There's one thing in here I'm not going to open because I'm going to donate it, and around here you can't donate makeup that's been opened. It is a Tarte eyeshadow palette. It's one of the round ones. I don't like their palettes because they're mostly shimmers most of the time and maybe 1 or 2 mattes. Besides which, with my Viseart Cool Mattes 2 palette and my Juicy Olive palette, I really don't need any more palettes. I've got a couple of single eyeshadows and that's really all I need. But this is the BU Naturally eyeshadow palette. It is packed with, oh, well, this one at least is half and half. 4 shimmer shades and 4 mattes. Your new Tarte BU Naturally palette is everything you need to create endless natural looks. From the frosty cool pinks to the rich bronze and brown tones, the palette will, it's a neutral palette. I don't like neutral palettes. I figure if I'm going to put eyeshadow on, it should be something people can see. But that is a $36 palette, and I will donate that to a local service council in my town. The next thing, and that Tarte is cruelty-free. The next thing is the No Problem Primer Essence, which is from Touch and Soul, and it's a primer. I'm a little confused about how it's different from their regular primer. There it is. I don't know if it's going to focus on it. Well, maybe if I put it right side up, it might be better anyway. So it's the No Problem. It has a screw-off top and a little tiny tip applicator. I don't know if you can see that or not. I don't know how to make my phone automatically focus. This is to let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. Infused with calendula officinalis flower extract, this primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. I don't understand how that's different than their other No Problem primer, but let's see if we can. Oops. It is very liquidy and comes out just like water. So I wasn't even squeezing. So there's going to, this is like those before and after pictures they have of, when you put something on your eyes. It's like, well, yeah, of course it looks better. It's still wet. So that's probably not going to really show you much, but we'll see how it looks a little later in the video. So that has a value of $23. The next thing, also cruelty-free, is a Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss. It is a lemonade lip gloss, which I thought meant it was going to be yellow, but it's actually pink lemonade. And I'll do a little swatch of this. It is a very pretty, it's a lip gloss, so it's not a lot of color, but it's a very pretty pink, and it's a color I will be able to wear because I am very, very pale. Were it not for my freckles, there would be no me. That has a retail price of $17. The next thing I'm going to show you is the Dirty Little Secret lip liner. It is in, I don't know if it even says it's a lip liner on here. This is in Rosy Posy. And I don't use lip liners very much, and I don't know what their cruelty-free status is. So if you don't mind, I am not going to open, I'm not going to break the seal because I'd like to donate that as well. And I don't know what their cruelty-free status is. By the way, nothing that I have taken out so far, other than Tarte, well, so that's 3 things, is on cruelty-free kitty or Logical Harmony as cruelty-free. And I don't really trust PETA's cruelty-free status stuff, so I don't know that they're... I do believe Touch and Soul is cruelty-free, and so is Dominique Cosmetics. The last thing, which is on Logical Harmony's pending list, and I can't find it on any cruelty-free. By the way, you might see a little tiny kitty come into the shot, and that would be my little you. It's a self-tanning thing from Saint-Tropez. This does not look like it would be a full size, but, and it should be, but, and a mitt. I've never self-tanned. I don't know if I would recognize myself with a tan, so I'm not really sure I can self-tan. And again, I don't know what their cruelty-free status is, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. But that's the whole box. And I'm just going to do some quick addition. So 36 plus 23 is 59, plus 17 is 66, plus 20, let's just say 24 is 115. So $115. I did pay for a year, which means that I do get this box for $19 and something, but even if it were the full price, I mean, clearly for these 2 things, it's worth more than the cost of the box. So that is what was in the box this month. And it doesn't see 1, 2, 3, 4. Dominique. Oh, and I'm sorry. And the Tarte, which I'm, again, not going to open. So, my friends, find the light within yourself so that you can go out and recognize it in others. And I hope you have a beautiful week. Thank you. I completely forgot that I said that I was going to show you how my hand looked after the no problem. So that's my hand that has it. Let's see if I can get a better angle. And yeah, you know, it's a 62-year-old hand, so let's not expect miracles. And then this is the hand that did not have it, but has the gloss, but doesn't have it. So it did make a difference, and I'll see how it works. Thanks. Bye.